Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into some common questions and answers in English to help you ace everyday conversations. You repeat after me, each question and answer. Let's jump right in.
Where did I leave my keys?
Check on the kitchen counter. That's where you usually leave them.
Have you seen my phone charger?
It's on the bedside table.
What's for breakfast?
I made scrambled eggs and toast.
When is garbage collection day?
Garbage is collected every Tuesday morning.
Can you help me with the groceries?
Sure, let me grab a hand.
Did you pay the utility bills?
Yes, I took care of it yesterday.
Do we need to buy more milk?
Yes, we're running low. I'll get some on my way home.
Can you pick up the dry cleaning today?
Unfortunately, I can't. Can you do it tomorrow?
What day is the trash collection for recycling?
Recycling is picked up every Wednesday.
Where did you put the vacuum cleaner?
It's in the closet under the stairs.
Have you sorted the mail yet?
Yes, and there's a letter for you on the kitchen table.
Is it time to change the water filter in the refrigerator?
Yes, it's been 6 months. I'll order a replacement.
Did you remember to lock the front door?
Yes, I double-checked before leaving. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.